Hello, good morning. Good morning mga palangga. So, we're going out today with Ate Divina. It's been a while na din na where we did not see each other. Mga ilang months na din. Yes, ganito kami na medyo matagal magkita. But when we see each other, we will do our catch up and yeah, just talk about life. So, papunta kami sa tea room para magkape, kumain. So, tamang-tama din kasi at 9 o'clock wala kaming kuryente. So, this is a planned schedule that they will cut the electricity because there's a maintenance going on. So, from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, that's what they said. There's no electricity, and so that's why I'm going out and Mr. is doing some works around the house, and afterwards, once I arrive home, we're gonna go to Screwfix and then go to Tesco to do our grocery shopping because I got work this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Nakakatuwa mga loves ba kasi kahapon, I was talking to my mama and sinabi ko yung schedule ko sa kanya, ganito, ganyan. So sabi niya, oh bakit 4 days lang? Nilang pa niya. Bakit hindi full-time? Sabi ko, Nay, full-time na yan. Ano pa nga ako dito? Yung full-time hours dito is 37.5 hours. And I'm doing more than that. So sabi ko, Nay, that's more than a full-time. And hindi talaga nila maintindihan mga palangga ba na yung schedule ng work ko, nag-iiba-iba talaga. So like for example today, majority of the weekdays, wala akong trabaho din. Weekend ako nagtatrabaho. And they expect me to be free during weekdays or vice versa. So sabi ko, hay, naku ninyo, hindi nyo talaga nagigets. Many times ko na silang in-explain na ganito yung work schedule ko. Kasi very similar lang naman siya sa work schedule ng care assistant nung nag-caregiver ako, pero hindi pa rin nila nagigets. So anyway, I'm just waiting for Ate Divina. Medyo maaga pa naman dito, 6:48 pa naman. And si Ate Divina, ano talaga yan? May record talaga yan na medyo late. Sorry Ate Divina, but yeah, sometimes she's not on time, sometimes she is on time. Puntahan natin yung greenhouse para tingnan ko yung pak choy natin kasi kung okay pa sila, I'm going to offer Ate Divina if she wants some pak choy. Yes, okay pa sila mga loves. Uy, ito fresh na fresh pa to. Ito rin. So yeah, I will ask Ate Divina to bring some pak choy. Mag-harvest tayo. Uy, nako, ito. It's leaning. Mabigat kasi. Or nabali ba yung cane niya? I feel like yes, nabali ata. Yung pinaka-bottom niya nabali. So, nung nakapunta dito si Ate Divina sa bahay, itong swimming pool, wala pa to mga palangga. So, matagal-tagal na din talaga ang hindi nakapunta si Ate Divina dito sa bahay. Wala pa din yung extension. Wala pa talaga to. Wala pang project na nangyayari. I'm gonna visit Mr. So yung I feel like it's been a while. I haven't been here.
It's been a long time.
Tingnan nyo yung lips ni Mr. Look at his lips. What you've done to it.
It's not blood this morning, is it? I don't know how it happened. This must be you hitting me at night.
But ni mo.
Right, what am I doing? Yeah. What time is it? I need to make my coffee in a minute.
Yeah, just wait until Ate Divina is here. She.
I need to make my coffee.
Yeah, I know. So, hopefully she will not be late and then we can offer her a coffee before the electricity will be off. Nandito na kami sa tea room, mga loves. And ito si Ate Divina. Nice to see you, Ate.
Thank you. Nice to see you too.
So we're having hot chocolate and then we're just waiting for our paninis. So si ate nag-order ng tuna melt and then yung akin is tuna, mozzarella, and basil.
Ganda naman.
Sobrang aga namin mga palangga, wala pang masyadong customer. Dalawa pa yung customer, well, tatlo. I am home.
Biscuit.
Tingnan natin yung dala ni Ate Divina. Thank you, Ate Divine. Ah, okay.
Biscuits.
Farmhouse biscuits. Honey and oat. I like the tin itself.
It'll have 2 stickers on it.
Ah, okay.
I want for supper. I think.
Have one for supper.
Yeah, right.
Sobrang cute na ano niya ba? Tin. So, umuwi agad si Ate Divina kasi meron din siyang kikitain. And dinalhan ko si Mr. ng carrot cake. 2 slice ng carrot cake yung binili ko. And I'm still eating the other one. And alam niyo, diba sinabi ko sa inyo na the electricity is supposedly gonna be out from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. But the electricity is still here. Nakakainis kasi guarantee if you start doing something, that's when the electricity will be off. So, you left hanging ba kasi sabi nila na they will cut off the electricity. But, ano na, mag 12 o'clock na exactly. And meron pa tayong electricity. Kung nagbago man yung mind nila, they should at least give us an update na, oh, we're not gonna go ahead with the plan for today. So, you can, you can use electricity or you can, do your normal things. So I'm not going to change because we're going to Screwfix and then go to Tesco. We still got electricity, sweetheart.
Eh?
We still got electricity.
Hello.
So, hindi talaga nawala yung kuryente. Oh my gosh, mga loves. I got indigestion. Nagre-repeat talaga sa akin yung onion kasi nung pumunta kami ni Ate Divina sa tea room, yung pinili, meron siyang kasamang salad, coleslaw, then fresh sa salad, and yung salad, meron siyang red onion. So, kinain ko yun. And yeah, masakit yung tiyan ko at parang nagre-repeat siya sa akin dito. Oh, nalalasahan ko talaga. So, we went to Tesco and for today's hapunan, magpapansit ako. Bumili ako ng 2 pansit. Ito. Ayan. Ang sahog natin is munsto. Kuha tayo ng pak choy doon sa greenhouse. Nakalimutan ko magbigay ng pak choy kay Ate Divina. So, bell pepper. And itong spring onions. Bumili ako ng double cream para sa ating mango float. Pero hindi ako nakahanap ng mango doon sa Tesco. Kaya Bumili na lang ako ng page. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. Kasi meron pa akong natira na graham crackers, mga palangga. I really don't feel well. Parang nasusuka ako. Hala, ang dami na palang milk, ha? Hindi masyadong nagagamit yung milk kasi majority of the time wala ako dito sa bahay.
Gas tomorrow. 20th tomorrow, isn't it?
What, ha?
They're delivering the gas tomorrow.
Oh,
The gas. The gas.
bumili tayo ng brownie para pang snack nila dyan kasi pupunta yung asawa ni Ate Janice this Saturday. Wala kaming masyadong pinamili, mga palangga.